Good day, sir and madam. I'm Lenny Carandang. I'm from Philippines. I already 43 years old. I have family already here in the Philippines. I have one daughter, 8 years old. I also have experience working at a big house in the Philippines. My main duty is cooking and cleaning the house. I also have experience in Hong Kong for 4 years, both finished contract. My first employers is from Typo. They have 5 members of the family, 4 adults and 1 child. My main duty in this family, I'm cooking, taking care of the child, cleaning the house, and also marketing. My second employer is from Shatin. They have 3 members of the family, 2 adult and 5 years old kid. My main duty in this family is taking care of the child, cooking, and cleaning the house. Also, marketing and car washing. I'm willing to learn other job from the other employer. Thank you and good day.